Hi, my name is Kathy Hansen and I am an educator, a choreographer, and an alumna of Trollwood Performing Arts School. I am so excited to be able to announce the new series Trade Tips and Tutorials by Trollwood on our Trollwood Performing Arts School YouTube channel. Each week we will share with you a short video featuring an artist who is working in the arts and entertainment industry and has also been either a Trollwood student or faculty or an instructor. They will be sharing tidbits of information, of wisdom, of trade secrets, and demonstrations of things that have helped them succeed in the arts and entertainment industry. We would like to send a big shout out of gratitude to these featured artists who were so willing to lend their time and talents and wisdom and support Trollwood Performing Arts School. So as you watch these videos, please tune into the biographies listed on these artists, as well as web links we've provided. This Trollwood collective is made up of hundreds of artists working in various fields throughout the industry, from Broadway performers to directors and filmmakers, songwriters, to the creatives behind the scenes, the set designers, the tech directors, sound engineers, costumers, all the way to the administrative side of things, the producers and grant writers. If you happen to be a Trollwood alumni or a former or current staff member and would like to participate in this project, we would love to have you. So just follow the link below and we will connect with you and get you the necessary information to get you started. So as you watch these videos, if you like what you see, please press like and subscribe. We invite you to share and comment. We would love to hear your feedback. If there is a subject you would like us to cover, indicate in the comment section below and we will do the best we can to meet your needs. So please stay tuned for the first installment of Trade Tips and Tutorials by Trollwood.